Hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is just a snippet of my visit to Jamaica. First, you can see me at the river near to my house, and then I visited my mum in Dovecote to look for her grave, and then the other clip is just me driving to Portland. And yeah, it's not really a vlog or anything, it's just clips here and there. I hope you enjoy, or it makes you feel a bit nostalgic or something, but here goes. So we get water from the tank because no water in the pipe, and I'm washing with my hands and where's my soap? Soap. Maybe it was wash them. Some wash them white one day, I leave them in the sun. Yeah. Proper country life, those are washed. I just need to rinse them. So let me get back to my washing. I just wanted to show you. Simple life, may I live down here now. So when you chop, what you do with the next part where you chop off, Daddy? Or you plant it back? See that one they dry up, that not good now?
Suck out, suck out.
Okay, because you never cut it in time.
Okay.
So how you know when the cassava them ready?
Yeah man, no one sell out to all of them already.
In here and plant them. Oh, see the big one them over there, so?
Sell out.
So them one, they must be ready for draw now, Daddy. Because they're so big. Thank you. Other one you're all. Thanks. Yeah. Sweet sugar cane. We have pine, but they're not ready yet. And this is, what the yam name, Daddy? Yellow yam. Yellow? Yam. Yellow yam. And this morning, me get planting. My Daddy pick for me. So, and there's cocoa and dasheen as well over there. So, yeah, see the cocoa them there. Cocoa and pine. So, this river near Bakalan, but it dry out. With mother used to come down here, come wash. This one is very close, right behind the back of my house, but it dry out. But on the weekend, I'm gonna go to another one, which is like 10 minutes away. So I'll show you. I know you can walk straight through and end up down a falling. And straight through fall and end up down a red cap. But now, this one named Bakalan, and dry right up. If rain fall down, you get water though, though. And tear down all the tree. That's how much. Wow. Star apple tree. From my daddy. I walk barefoot. Daddy said, I like walk barefoot. Yeah. It's not an easy trek. Very steep and stony. See how far in there for me. Me walk slow. Outdoor cooking. Coal stove. See now cursing on daddy.
You know, you don't see nobody, eh? People going there, man. You don't know.
Hmm?
You don't know. See? It looks simple. Yeah?
Yeah, me normally use plastic and light it.
Yeah.
Melt the plastic from the coal till then catch. You never use coconut. What is this name? Coconut bowl? And no coconut bowl this. Coconut trash.
It's easy if you catch it, must have to catch your car out as long as
Chicken them not ready yet. So we can't get to cook no chicken today. We'll kill not kill, we'll cook some pork instead. So we're getting some coconut. This is dry coconut. And we want to make some coconut milk. So this is the process. You have to ox out the coconut from the coconut trash, and then we will get the coconut and grate it, juice it out, and get some coconut milk. So see the cola catch now. Almost ready to put the pot on. Whilst over here, that have 2 more dry coconut.
it's not good.
That one not good? Wait, you know, oh, that not good. Go dash with that. Let's see if the other one is any good. We need dry coconut to grater. That one, alright? Thank you, Daddy. 2 coconut enough to make the milk?
No, I get 2.
Okay. So we need more coconut. So my dad is just getting 2 more dry coconut. It's all, easy. But he might try to shake down 2 dry ones. Yeah, 1 drop. What? Yeah. Oops. So the pot too hot. I put a little bit of oil because I'm gonna cook some pork. And pork a whole heap of fat on it. So yeah, outside cooking we're dealing with. And I have 6 pounds of pork meat here, and my dad killed this, so it's fresh pork. Pork the fat, don't look on fat. See it there? Now stir it around a little bit, and then we're gonna leave it to just cook slowly in its own juices. So this is how we get the coconut juice. My dad wants to do it. My daddy don't think I can manage to do all of this, but I can. But since that he wants to do it, he will make the coconut juice and I will take it from there. But we got quite a bit of coconut. I think there was 4 to 5 coconuts, so it's quite a bit to grate, so we'll get through it. When we're almost done, I'll show you. Time to check in on the pork. Ooh. Just gonna turn it around. It smells so nice. Over here I got 1 bucket of ackee. So I'm gonna need to clean it up, ox them out, take out the red bit, take off the seedy bit, and clean it up. Put it on the freezer to take home, and moringa seeds.